Danke. Un aplauso, Digi, más fuerte, Turene. Aplauso, aplauso, aplauso. Alzina. Siguiente nos quiera llama Dilanti. We would like to welcome Vice President of the International Ashley Stores, Mr. Frank Dacal. Aplauso.
The store that you see here today has been over a year in the making, and a lot of hard work and commitment was dedicated to make this store a reality. It's a beautiful store. Since 1945, Ashley continuously improve, demonstrates a company whose passion is put into every action. Ashley Furniture Home Store is an exclusive provider of furniture from Ashley Furniture every single day. The Ashley family is so thankful to so many of you who have been with us in every step. We are very honored to be part of this great community and look forward to growing alongside of you. So on behalf of Ashley, I would like to thank you all for your contribution.